Question 6. Take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter. Children, it is given on page number 57. I have drawn the data here table which is showing the name of the city, first column, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Next to this, add the next column, that is difference, maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. If you subtract 38 minus 29, we get 9 degrees Celsius. That is difference in maximum and minimum temperature of Ahmedabad is 9 degrees Celsius. Like this, we will do it for all the other cities also. So 37 minus 26 gives us 11 degrees Celsius. Bangalore, maximum is 28, minimum is 21, difference is 7 degrees Celsius. Chennai, 36 degree minus 27 gives us 9 degrees Celsius. Again Delhi, maximum 38, minimum 28, difference is 10 degrees Celsius. Jaipur, 39 degree is maximum, 29 is minimum, difference between two is 10 degrees Celsius. Jammu, 41 degree is maximum, minimum is 26, and difference between 41 minus 26 gives us 15 degrees Celsius. Mumbai is 32 degree maximum and minimum is 27 degrees Celsius. Difference in this is 5 degrees Celsius. Now let us see the graph first. We will show the name of the cities on x-axis, that is horizontal line, that is Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. On x-axis, y-axis, we will show temperature, that is maximum as well as minimum, which is given in degree Celsius. Now let us decide the scale. Here we are given the maximum temperature 41 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. We have to select the scale according to this, that we get the maximum as well as minimum temperature on the same graph, and that is the reason we call that double bar graph. So here we take 2 centimeter, that is 2 units, as 10 degrees Celsius. Again 2 degree we will take 20 degree Celsius. Again 2 you leave and then 30. Again 2 leave and then 40. And let us take 50 also, because it is more than 40 degree. We have to take it. So here 50. Now first it is given to us that Ahmedabad and maximum and minimum temperature is given to us. It is 38 degree and minimum is 29. Let us take 38 and 29. 38 is above 30 and below 40. In between we have 20 boxes. So per degree Celsius 1 degree we need 2 boxes. This is 35, 36, 37, 38. So 3 more, we need 6 boxes. So it will be in between this smaller green line, we have to take 1 extra. That will make 6 small square boxes, and so we get 38. And we have to take minimum temperature, which is 29. So it is below 30. We leave below 32 small boxes which make 29. And so maximum and minimum temperature of Ahmedabad city is given to us, which I have shown maximum with brown color and minimum with orange color. Let us come to next city, that is Amritsar. Maximum temperature of Amritsar is 37. So it is above 30 and below 40. So 30 and 40 in between it is 35. Again we need 2 more degrees Celsius, that is 37. So we take 4 boxes above this 35 and this will make 37. Now we come to minimum temperature of Amritsar, which is 26. So it is 25 is between 20 and 30. It is 25 and take 2 boxes which will make 26. Let us come to third city, Bangalore. Bangalore has maximum 28 So it is below 30. So it will be above 20. This is 25, 26, 27, 28. We need